sounded more like a gunshot, but maybe it was just one single popping firework or something because we're getting close to New Year's. But it was just one pop, just one single pop. Just like a car door slam and then pop! Really, really, really loud. It was probably not a gunshot because I didn't hear any police get called or anything. But we're in the hood, not likely to get the people in the hood don't really call the police. You know. People visiting the hood are more likely to call the police. Oh shit, we got hiccups. Where my hiccup lovers at? Getting hiccups on twitch.tv/ItsPinkie. Slam, pop, hiccup. Yep. Mm-hmm. But anyways. Damn, my whole ass finger is gonna be a callus. My hand hurts. I haven't really been practicing that much. My hand is tired. Wee. Thank you, Spider.
Wee.
Did you get an electric yet? Well, this is electric. Plug it in right there. It's electric. No, I didn't get an electric guitar yet. Just my acoustic guitar. I only just got my acoustic guitar this year. Like 2 months ago. It's probably been like 2 months. Maybe 3 months since I've gotten that acoustic guitar. I have been learning on it. I can play chords and stuff.